Okay, so let's look at some useful phrases, town, and let's dissect them. Let's break them down. So, is there an art gallery? Is there? Is there an art gallery? Is there a train station? Is there a museum? Is there an art gallery? We're asking a question, is there? Is there? It's different from there is. There is an art gallery. There is an art gallery over there. Statement. But is there for question. Is there? And is there a car park? Is there a train station? Is there an art gallery? Where is the town centre? Where? Where is the town centre? Where is the art gallery? Where is the town centre? Where is it? Where? Where is the train station? How far is it? How far? How far? Far. Is it near? You could say near or close. Near or close or far. Far. Far away. Far away. Far away. Near and close. Far. Far away. Far away. Is it far from here? Is it far from here? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Or no, it is close. No, it is nearby. No, it is nearby. It's nearby. Very close. It's nearby. There is a post office near to the train station. There is a hospital near to the road. There is a park near to the train station. There is a something near to something else. We could say there is a post office, there is a something next to. Next to. Just right next to. I am next to the whiteboard. I am next to the wall. Next to. The bank is between the restaurant and post office. Between. Between things. Between. I am between my whiteboard and wall. I am between the whiteboard and door. Door. Between. It is behind the shops. Behind. 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 So we could say the post office is behind the park. The museum is behind the bank. The shop is behind the bank. All sorts. All sorts. And opposite is in front. It is in front of the library. In front. In front. In front. It is in front of something. In front. Yeah. Yeah. So we have it is as a statement. It is behind. It is in front. It is next to. It is next to. It is next to. But if we swap these words around, we get a question. We go from it is to is it. Is it next to? Is it behind? Is it in front? Yeah, is it behind? Is it behind the wall? Is it in front of the camera? Is it next to the door? Is it? Question, is it? Don't know. Yeah. Yeah, so here, look. How far is it? Question. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? So, is there an art gallery? Where is the town centre? How far is it? Is it? Is it? Question. Is it far from here? Here. 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 There is a post office near to the station. The bank is between the restaurant and post office. It is behind the shops. It is in front of the library. In front. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring. Let's keep going.